Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta on the Hooghly River, and my guest today is somebody you know more for his voice than his face. And he's not complaining because he is the last survivor of the golden age of Indian melody. Manna Dey, or Prabodh Chandra Dey, as he was named. Manada, welcome to Walk the Talk.
Thank you. How are you, Shekharji?
Very nice. I'm an old fan of yours, and I'm so grateful to you. You found time. I know you're still recording, and
nice being here. It's wonderful to be here, and with you especially. I have been hearing about you quite a lot.
Thank you. You know why we chose this venue, the Hooghly River, a boat on the Hooghly River?
I was born here in Calcutta.
Well, that's one reason. But my reason is that, since I'm a fan of yours, like so many millions of Indians, I've always remembered one of the great melodies you sung, O Majhi Re, Khete Jao Re, Dur Hai Kinara.
That was Ravindra Jain's song.
Ravindra Jain's song.
Yes, it was in, what's the name of the movie?
Saudagar.
Saudagar.
Right.
And Amitabh was there.
Amitabh Bachchan was there.
That was a wonderful composition by Ravindra Jain, and I would rate him as one of the most talented. The lyrics was written by him,
I see.
Yes.
And the great lyrics, because I know you've sung more than 4,000 songs. Would you remember that song? Is that one of your memorable ones?
Well, if you pinpoint any song and tell me to sing, I can sing in a couple of lines here.
Why don't you sing a couple of lines from that? Because the mood is so right. It's a monsoon sky in Calcutta on the Hooghly.
Yes, we are in the middle of the Ganges,
Right.
Kinara dur hai na?
Right.
Dur hai kinara gehri nadi ki dhara टूटी तेरी नैया माझी खेत जाओ रे ये नैया खेत जाओ रे दूर है किनारा It's a beautiful.
Other beautiful lines. डूबते हुए को बहुत है तिनके का सहारा.
That is one of the
from my childhood actually. Yes.
डूबते हुए को बहुत है तिनके का सहारा ओ माझी रे ए माझी रे डूबते हुए को बहुत है तिनके का सहारा मन जहाँ मान ले माझी मन जहाँ मान ले माझी वही है किनारा माझी खेत जाओ रे ये नैया खेत जाओ रे दूर है किनारा
Well, I can either break into applause or let you sing right through, but I will interrupt you.
Yes, it's
you sing so beautifully. I know you don't want me, maybe you don't want me to reveal your age, but what's the secret of this fitness and this voice discipline at 84, 85? You were born on May Day.
Yes, May Day, 1st May.
Yes.
But then I really wouldn't understand
Of
why
1920.
people they make comments on my age. You see, I sing. Why should you ask my age and this other? Age is no factor for me. For me,
Right.
I don't consider age is any deterrent in my life. No.
Absolutely.
I keep healthy. I try to keep myself fit, and whenever I am asked to sing, I can perform for 3 hours. Nothing happens.
But
to
you
me.
stopped singing for Hindi movies some time back.
Because that of course is a factor. Because being whatever I am at this age, I would not like to sing for 25-year-olds. No.
Why so? I mean, you see, even in your heyday, you did not always sing for the 25-year-old. Sometimes you were in the background.
The funniest thing is, I started my singing career singing for Badrinarayan ji, who was old enough to be my father, those days.
Right.
Gai tu gai Sita Sati Teri Amar Bhavna Amar in Ram Rajya. That movie, it ran for 3 years at a stretch. Ram Rajya Bhai. this Prakash Pictures.
Because I'm sure if you got back to singing, you will give many of the newer singers, male singers, a run for their money.
Oh yes, I can do that, definitely. Definitely I can do that.
So tell me, just go down memory lane and tell us how you started in. I know you trained under your great uncle,
K.C. Day.
K.C. Day, and then you came to Bombay. What was music like those days? No
Music was
no
very pure.
No synthesizers, no remixers.
No, music was very pure, and sound is to be, I would say, the sound of the voice, sound of the musical instruments is to be so natural, and I would say there was no this thing those days that you could make a voice with the help of the machine, something like that. Those days you had to have a good voice to be able to sing, good voice and good musicians to play with you so that you could deliver the goods. When any musician, any music director who is to compose is to ask for the very best, I mean the natural thing that was to be there. See? And I am from that school of music where we have always believed in giving not the camouflaged way, the natural way, the most natural way.
And
You'll be surprised to know this, Shekhar ji, the song that was composed by Roshan ji, Na to Karwa ki Talash hai, na hum safar ki Talash. Ye ishq, ishq hai, ishq. That is a 12-minute song.
Right.
Because it was 12-minute song, it was cut into two parts. Myself, Rafi, Asha, we sang that song 6 minutes each without break.
It's one of the most famous qawwalis of all times.
I would rate it as one of the very best.
One of the very best.
Yes.
एक लाइन सुनाइए ना.
ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, ना तो हम सफर की तलाश है.
When you came in, there were already other famous people setting
No,
in.
not many famous people. There were a very handful of singers, male singers.
K.L. Sehgal was sort of fading
K.L.
out.
Sehgal was. They were even during our days. K.L. Sehgal was not there.
Right.
My uncle K.L. Sehgal and Pankaj Mallik, those were the people. Just they had finished and
But
we
the
had
shadow
come in.
was there, you know.
Yes, yes, of course.
So the gold standard was K.L. Sehgal's voice.
Yes, that is true. That is true. But then, singing is to be different those days. You know, K.L. Sehgal singing is to be class in itself.
Right.
And our kind of singing is to be really, we learned good music and then we came into this line.
But you struggled a bit because many of us have believed, and I think you will not disagree, that you did not quite get the fame and credit
Yes.
that Kishore Kumar, Mukesh and Mohammad Rafi or other three contemporaries got. And yet, many of the songs you've sung will perhaps outlast many that they sang.
Yes, you're very right there. As I was singularly lucky to have been chosen for some of the most beautiful and very difficult songs of our industry. That's why they keep lingering even today. And I think those are the songs will never die.
Right.
Say for instance, लागा चुन्नी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे,
Right.
और ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, और से ये कसम वादे प्यार वफा, ये ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी, and then यारी है ईमान मेरा. These songs will never die.
In fact, that's the interesting thing because those two songs, Kasme Wade Pyar Wafa and Yari Hai Iman Mera, they completely reinvented Pran because from a villain,
Yes.
he became a good guy with those songs.
Yes, that's true. I remember Pranji telephoned me and told me, Manna ji, this is the first time I am singing. I am being made to sing. See that you don't put those difficult things of yours so that I am all at sea to make good.
Even all your classical.
Yes, I had the good fortune of being allowed to put in my my specialties.
So this was for Upkar.
Upkar.
That's the
Upkar,
first
yes.
one.
Yes.
Kasme
That's
Wade
it.
Pyar Wafa.
Yes.
But that was not an easy song to sing. Although Pran managed it on screen.
Oh, but then I think Pranji did a wonderful job of it. And the song Kalyanji Anandji, the way he composed it, is just wonderful.
Tell us a line.
कसमें वादे प्यार वफा सब बातें हैं बातों का क्या कसमें वादे प्यार वफा सब बातें हैं बातों का क्या कोई किसी का नहीं है बादल da 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 da, qasam waade. Offhand, how can I remember all the songs?
Many of us remember all those songs.
Yes, that is true. Many a time it has happened.
चलेंगे दुख में सब मुख मोड़ेंगे दुनिया वाले तेरे बनकर तेरा ही दिल तोड़ेंगे.
You keep
देखिए,
track of
हमको याद है.
all this is kamal hai.
And I'm quite sure my children remember many of your songs.
That's true.
So why is it you think that you did not quite get your due? You know, still people say 3 grades. You know, it must be 4 grades.
No, I don't mind not being called a great singer because I think I'm not a great singer. I have been a student of good music. I can sing good songs and all that, you know. The rest, I rate Mohammad Rafi as one of the very best of all times.
Right.
He's undoubtedly one of the very best.
And
he has
self-taught.
sung, self-taught, and he has sung, he made a style of his own, and I would rate him the icon in the field of playback singing.
Right. And
No doubt about
And
it.
what about Mukesh and Kishore Kumar, your other contemporaries?
Kishore was a natural singer, you know. He never learned music,
I see.
but then he had the natural talent, and what a voice he had. What a voice, that kind of a voice we haven't
But
had
he had a natural talent for everything.
for everything.
Singing,
As an actor,
acting, direction, writing.
no doubt about it. No doubt
charming
about it.
women.
I am a very big Kishore fan. Very, very big Kishore fan. I have always rated him as one of the great entertainers in the field of music.
I think one of your songs that the present generation remembers most of all is the one you sang with sang with Kishore, Ek Chatur Nar,
Karke
Karke Singar, and between Mahmood and Kishore
Yes.
and Sunil Dutt, you had a fantastic cast of characters.
You know that song we started in the morning at 9 o'clock, we finished in the evening at 9 o'clock?
Right.
12 hours of recording.
And it looked like as if it was some sort of a live Jugalbandi.
With Kishore,
argument.
with Kishore, many a time we have sung together. Ye dosti in Sholay.
Right.
We both sang.
Right.
It was like picnic.
Right.
We should really, and Pancham was just a lively fella like Pancham. You see.
Right.
We three used to.
Pancham is R.D. Burman.
R.D. Burman, yes. We three used to make, I mean, a hell of a lot of noise, you know, on the stage, on the sets.
In
and all that.
Bengali or Hindi?
No, in Hindi.
Hindi.
In Hindi, of course. ये दोस्ती हमने तोड़ी शोले का गाना था ना.
I know. I said जब stage पे आप when
Stage पे नहीं, on the sets.
On the sets.
Recording sets, you know, used to make a hell of a lot of noise. And in that kind of noise, the good things used to take place, that which take birth. And जैसे कि एक चतुरनार में नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा 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 टे उधर से किशोर ए टेढ़े सीधे हो जा रे सीधे हो जा रे सीधे हो जा. The way he started it was all, it was not
impromptu?
No, impromptu, and it was not there in the beginning, you know.
I see.
His brain was, I mean, he used to wonder about all the time. You know?
And then it then goes on into Tu Tu Hai Mathura Ka Peda. It was all made up.
Or everything is made up by him. That way, that song I sang for Raj Saab. Raj Saab's picture, boot polish. And I sang for whom? I sang for David. Lapak Jhapak Tu Aare Bhadrava. You have not heard that song?
I don't.
My
remember.
God, that song, it created history then. And in the recording of the song Lapak Jhapak Tu Aare Bhadrava, we sat on the zameen, on a carpet, and a few musicians were there, 4 or 5 musicians, myself and chorus, boys and girls, and Raj Saab. He sang with us. लपक झपक तू और बदरवा सर की खेती सूख रही है बरस बरस तू कार बदरवा.